Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update iOS 18.3. When updating your phone to the latest iOS 18.3, you may encounter an issue where the device gets stuck on the verifying update screen. This problem may make you frustrated. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So for method number 1, check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading and verifying the iOS 18.3 update. Follow these steps to ensure your internet connection is working properly and to fix iOS 18.3 unable to verify update. For this, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. Check your Wi-Fi connection to ensure it's enabled and connected to the internet, and you're done. So for method number 2, I'll tell you how to clear storage space. Insufficient storage space can prevent the iOS 18.3 from being verified and installed. Here's how to clear storage space on your iPhone and also how you can fix iPad stuck on verifying update iOS 18. For this, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, review the list of apps and their storage usage, remove unwanted apps, photos, videos and other files to free up space. Consider offloading unused apps by enabling offload unused apps in the iPhone storage menu, and you're done. Now for method number 3, I'll tell you how to force restart iPhone. A forced restart can help resolve software glitches causing the verifying update issue. The process varies slightly depending on your iPhone model. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do same with the volume down button and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide to power off. Wait for some time and restart your iPhone by holding up the power button. And you're done. Now for the next method, I'm going to tell you how to reset network settings. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can help resolve issues related to Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth that may be preventing the iOS 18.3 update from verifying. This process will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN settings, and other network-related configurations. Here's how to reset your network settings. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to General, and then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter the passcode to confirm the process, and you're done. I hope this video will help you fix iPhone stuck on verifying update iOS 18.3. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.